Oh yes, it's finally here! Ah, sweet. I think it's time to get this dang thing open. Huh. Wow. It's even better than I thought it'd be. Oh, huh. I think this is an opportunity for a video. Yeah, I'm definitely reviewing this. Hello everyone, Useful Engine 11 here, and today I'm back again with another review. Today we'll be doing a review on the Crosby Station Cargo Truck. Now, this is my first review ever, so I'm hoping to do a good job on it. And also, I got this item earlier today, and I'm like, I should probably do a review on it. I like it, looks pretty good, but anyways. So, I got this item earlier today, as I told you all, so let's jump right into the backstory. Oh, wait. It doesn't really have that much of a backstory. Oh well. Let's just jump right into the review. The Crosby Station Cargo Truck was released in 1992 with a bunch of other Thomas and Railway items. Now, this item is a classic to me. It's really got its charm. Although, there are some differences with the first version and now the second version, of course. The first version of the Crosby Station Cargo Truck had classic wooden railway wheels, kind of like my wooden railway Henrietta here, and the words Crosby Station Cargo weren't written in white on the sides of each Crosby Station Cargo Truck that I have here. I don't mind that version, but I don't have it, so I wouldn't know how it feels to actually own that one, but if you do, good for you. Afterwards, the Crosby Station Cargo Truck was discontinued. Therefore, afterwards, they released a second version in 1994, kind of like the both models I have right here. Now, there are some slight differences. As you can see, both of them have the letters Crosby Station Cargo on each side. And on both Crosby Station Cargo trucks, they both have, well, actual tires instead of like actual wooden railway wheels. I didn't know why that was, but hey, that's how all items were back in 1992. Now that we talked about both variations of the Crosby Station Cargo Truck, the 1992 and the 1994 versions of the Crosby Station Cargo Truck, let's take a look at both of my Crosby Station Cargo Truck models together. Obviously, my first one is a little beat up and broken. Normally, I wouldn't mind it being beat up, but the fact is, my Crosby Station Cargo Truck broke. I don't think it's going to work barely anymore. Like, it can still carry stuff, but now I bought the second version I have now, and I don't need this one anymore, so that's a good thing. Well, I'll probably do something with this, but in the meantime, I'm just happy to have this one. but it's not just beat up and broken. If you look by the door where the wheel is, the wheel is really close to the door, and so this version looks a bit screwed up. While the door is not covered by the wheel. So that's one thing about both of these. Now we're going to move over to my new and yet more awesome Crosby Station cargo truck. I think this one looks a lot better than my original one. Also, the Crosby Station cargo truck has flat magnets on the back, and it shares the same trait with the first ever version, my beat up version, and this version, my newer one that I have here today. Now let's take a look at the compartment here where the cargo is stored. Oh my gosh, it feels like it's kind of like it kind of feels like the gray face and white face and the troublesome brake van. Like the gray face and white face troublesome truck and the troublesome brake van. That's what it feels like when you're holding this part. And I think it's pretty unique in a way. Also, another thing, it's also the same as the 3 variations of the log cars, as well as all the other items I mentioned. I don't know if there's any other items that have these lines like texture to it. Overall, everyone, I think the Crosby Station cargo truck is a pretty unique item. It's not really based on anything from the TV show, yet it's also something that you would pick up, at least something I recommend for you all to pick up. Oh well. Well, if I've learned anything from watching a bunch of other reviews from other people, let's now do the ratings. Oh, but before we get into the rating session of the Crosby Station cargo truck review, here I got a golden ticket from I'm not sure how to say it, but I got a golden ticket and it says www.ebay.com, and then on the back here it says please visit our store at, and then the link to their store, and I might be interested in looking at this because they sent me, since I was willing to buy the Crosby Station cargo truck at $59.99 plus tax, yeah, I bought it for that much. I think they sent this to me because I'm basically loyal when it comes to buying wooden railway stuff. And also, here's a little message. Don't forget to leave your feedback. Please message me regarding any issues you may have or your purchase. I am very easy to work with and serve for A+ feedback. Thank you. So that was pretty nice of the guy that sent me this, and so yeah. So I just wanted to talk about that really quick. Anyways, let's get on to the rating of the review. I must say, the Crosby Station cargo truck is a really neat item. I mean, I absolutely love it dearly, but however, I'm gonna have to give it a rating of 9.5 out of 10. Okay, whoa. Chill, everyone. I know you're, booing me right now, but the reason why is, well, there are a few flaws. Okay, see this cargo piece? I put it in, but however, say I put Lego pieces in here, like Lego crates, which fit really nicely, I might add. But just put it in. However, say it's driving along the road, and however, when it goes up hills, the cargo slides out. Oh, man. The Crosby Station cargo truck suffers the same thing with the first version of Henry's Forest log car. Ugh. So that's why I give it a 9.5 out of 10. But overall, I think it's pretty great. Well, guys, I think I'm going to wrap up this review. Sure, it probably wasn't that long, but however, I think I did a pretty good job on this review. Anyways, I must say, I really do like this item, and I might use it more in my videos. Like I said, still don't know what I'm going to do with this version, but at least I still have, like, my new version. Oh well. Well, guys, that's pretty much my review on the Crosby Station Cargo Truck. I'm Useful NG11, and I'm signing out. Take care, everyone. I must say, my review was pretty good. However, I could use a snack. And I could get myself something to drink. Maybe just something to eat in general. Oh, hey baby dog. How's it going? I hope you're doing fine.
I'm doing very good. How are you doing?
That's good. Well, I'll see you in a little bit. Sorry I wasn't around to look after you while my parents are away right now, but hey, at least I think you had fun. Also, I had to do my Crosby Station Cargo Truck review. Oh well.
Good for you. And how was it, you Slunge 11?
Oh, yeah, my review. Yeah, it went pretty good, thanks. I love you, baby. Stay cool. Okay, got my cheeseburger, got my fries, the ketchup, and my Baja Blast. Now that I have my Baja Blast, I think I'm gonna get my Crosby Station Cargo Truck and watch a Mr. MPS video. Okay, well, just gonna... Wait a minute! What the... Where's my old version of my Crosby Station Cargo Truck? It's gone. I guess it just disappeared. I wonder where it could have gone. Huh. This is really weird. If it's not in my room, then it must be on the island of Sodor somewhere. Well, sure, it's just a blanket and towels and bits of track, but still, wherever I lay it, it technically is the island of Sodor. Oh boy. There must be a way for me to go search for it. Even if it's just a set, I know what to do. Mirror, mirror on my wall, who's the greatest Thomas Winrow YouTuber of all? Not me, because I'm not as good as Kikray, E93, Militanger Media, or Enterprising Mr. MPS. Almost mentioned Enterprising twice. Oh well, I'm a pretty good YouTuber. Anyways, let's see here, Haha, here we go. Let's see, which button is it? Okay, so let's see, power and source. Maybe I should press power and source. Or, ooh, here we go. Well, here we go. One big leap for a boy, that's becoming a man. One big leap for Useful NG11. Oh, here we go.